definitely feel.
There's one behind us.
Yeah, it's fine. We're just going move too fast. They're quite into movement. Behind this young brother. The other men keep on coming also behind that. Right guys, this is fantastic. I mean, that's not even a meter and a half from the car.
Good, we're going.
A little bit of cat and mouse there, maybe.
They're so beautiful. There is a flash.